In this video, I'm going to talk about what is the trademark agent examination study material which is available to you. Indian trademark agent examination is scheduled to be on 7th May 2023. So we have designed exclusive study material for you. So let's look what are the printed books which are available to you. So there's total set of 5 books which is available to you. What are these books? Number 1 book is Trademark Law. This book gives an easy interpretation of trademark law in simple language with examples, flowcharts, and diagrams for you to prepare. And the language is so easy that you will really enjoy reading it. And it contains all the patent forms which are important for you to understand. Next type of book which is available to you is case studies book. Case studies book is a practical book which gives you what is the application of trademark law, and various cases are written in simple language. Especially this book is designed for normal graduates, BA, BCom, who have no law background, so that they understand what is the implication and practicality of trademark law. Third book is designed specially for your Viva Voice and interview. There are short questions in each with one-line answer, which will help you prepare for Viva Voice or interview. Finally, we have a book of previous year solved papers. So there are question papers and there are answers which are available in it. And most importantly, we have many flowcharts and diagrams into it. Steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that you can write the answers in the exam very quickly. And finally, we have the last book. It's a thick book because it's an original Patent Act rules and manuals of Indian Patent Office. I would recommend to read this book in the end, because this book is written in a legal language. So I would say make your basic first and then read this book. Most common mistake which students do is they start from this book because this is freely available on internet. But being written in legal language, you might feel demotivated, or you might feel that this examination is not for you. But I would recommend build the basic and then read the original act. So always start with trademark law, then move to case studies, prepare for Viva Voice, try to solve previous year question papers and answer, and then you can refer to original trademark act, law, and manual. So these are the awesome books which are available to you. They are available in printed format, will be sent to your home address through Indian Post. Thank you so much.